What would you like to drink? Oh, you'd like a strawberry milkshake. Well, that's going to be a no. if you if we're doing clean low carb, we're not going to do strawberry milkshake, and you know that. You know the best options are going to be water, water and more water. Water is so good for us, and I drink more coffee than water, and I'm in trouble there. So do as I say, not as I do. If water is too boring, throw in sliced fruit, throw in bruised berries, throw in slices of cucumber, throw in crushed mint. I like to brew really strong ginger tea and then add a little ginger tea to seltzer, plain seltzer, soda water. Or do all those same things with seltzer, the fruit, the mint, whatever. Um, those are all going to be good options. You know the worst option is going to be what I used to drink all the time, straight ginger ale. You can feel the sugar growing on your teeth when you drink that. You can. Terrible option. So any sugar sodas are going to be bad, but so are the diet sodas. I don't know why they're so addicting, but they are. And they're not good. We all know that the aspartame, I don't know how to say any of these chemical-y words, is shown to be not good for us. And some studies show that people who drink diet sodas tend to put on weight compared to those who do not drink diet sodas. I don't know what the mechanism is, but they're not good. There's zero sugar. Sugar's not the only enemy. That's not the only enemy. Okay. Um, energy drinks, sports drinks, recovery drinks. I wouldn't touch those either. Look at those labels. Look at are there carbs in there? Are there weird additives in there? Not good choices. What about something like a kombucha? It's probably good, but some are going to be low carb and some are going to be delightfully flavored, and they're going to be sugars in there more than you want. When we're eating clean low carb, we want to keep to 50 carbs a day or less. And so I don't want to be drinking my carbs. When I eat carbs, I want to be chewing them. So that's why I advise against drinking carbs. Oh, here's a PS to yesterday. Was anybody here yesterday listening to me talk about coffee? I'm saying that I talked about most flavored coffees are no's, but if you have flavored coffee beans, that's going to be okay. It's going to be okay. What's not okay is brewing coffee and then squirting in a syrup to make it caramel flavored, vanilla flavored. That's not okay. But vanilla scented coffee beans, that's going to be fine, hot or iced. Whew, okay. Well, that's it for cold drinks today. I'm about a week into my 30 days of walk and talk. My name's Eileen. I reversed the worst of my low carb. No, I reversed the worst of my Alzheimer's symptoms by adopting clean low carb diet. That's what I'd like to talk about here on this channel. For 30 days, I'm walking just after sunrise and talking about one of my baby steps. If you'd like to know more, check out the links in the description below. Thank you for spending time with me today. Thank you for liking the video, commenting on the video, sharing the video. And until next time, let's all stay strong, wise, kind, and good by choosing good food for good health. Bye.